nurse room, kitchen, stretcher trolley, housekeeper, dirt utility. This is our IPD. This is the general ward, and this is the special room. These are the floors, rooms, nurse station. The records we maintain. Linen room is very important. When you plan, you have to plan for a linen room. You cannot keep the linen everywhere. Canteen. And nowadays you get the freedom of using all the disposable things, disposable underwears, aprons, head masks, shoe covers. All these things we employ in our hospital. You can use them, utilize them. When you use, the patient doesn't mind paying you. That is the truth. And the facilities now have to be implemented to meet growing demands. You should have TVs, basic requirements in your rooms, CCTV security, the local interconnection telecom service, EPABX, genset backup, Wi-Fi, internet, hot water kettles in the rooms, hair dryers, at least in the therapy rooms. Some of them are against our basic principles, but we cannot be pure. We have changed. As Madam said, we cannot wear a veshti and a talapa and we cannot see the patients. It's now, the trend is changing. So we have to slightly change the approach. And hygiene kit can be given to the patients. So this is the hygiene kit what we give in our hospital. The chappals, soap, and the brushes and other things. These are available now. I never visited any factory to identify all these things. It is all purely through internet only. And this is the space for walk, a small Tulasi Madam we have kept in the third floor. You can see the option for expansion. We have kept syntax tanks. We want to build one more floor. We have an option for it. We have kept the genset in the fourth floor. And as I told, bio-waste management. This is very important. You may ask me, there is no biomedical waste in our hospitals. Why do you speak about this? No, it's not so. See, when you do pracharnam, rakta mokshanam, bloodletting therapies, leech therapy, vomitus, even vomitus is a biomedical waste. You give for vamanam, you give for peach, enema, and those materials have also to be properly disposed. See, the Surat Municipal Corporation has sued one of the Ayush hospitals because they have not maintained this biomedical waste records. They are not utilizing it properly. So you can also be in that position if you are not employing things, and if you are not taking care of biomedical waste management. Because you will also have a lab, and the lab will generate needles and blood soaked cottons. So you should have a method to dispose the biomedical wastes. And if you have a problem, if you are not strong enough that you may not be able to face the challenges, go with a brand. See, now SKM, IMCOPS agencies, you can take agencies, you can put their brand name so that patients will have a faith, a preoccupied faith, and they will come to you. AVP, Arya White, there is one company which is fast growing now. You can take franchise of all these people and you can start practicing. And when you see of the revenue, this is very important, revenue in a hospital. These are the areas where you can generate revenue. Short-term diploma courses you can engage. with Bharat Seva Samaj. You can start with short-term diploma courses, clinical research, content writing, and operations. Here comes the promotion, right? You cannot just, as I said in the very start, you cannot start a clinic. Even Madam said that you cannot start a clinic, sit inside and expect people to come there. No, it will not happen at all. It will happen, but you need more time, at least 3 years, 4 years. But you cannot, you will suffocate within that if you are in a hospital setup. This applies for even a small clinic. Even if you set up a small clinic, this applies. Society conscious advertisements, camps, charity, public lectures, write-up in press, and tie-ups. Make others know about you. Make a website. Make the website responsive to the cell phone, because most of them don't have laptops or systems. Everybody is using cell phones. There are certain websites which are not openable by cell phones. There is no use. Conducting camps, write-ups in papers, press, speeches, lectures, hoardings. You can put hoardings in important places. And there are newer options for advertisements. Bus bags, auto bags, then tents, disposable tents, collapsible tents. And using the web as a tool. You see, today's speech is going to be in YouTube tomorrow, because the population here is 100. But if I want to reach around lakhs of people have to see my speech, right? I'm not saying about today's speech. I'm generally saying that all these things you have to record and immediately publish. You don't need to say, as Sir said, you don't need to say, come to me, come to me. No, not need.